Hello students, good morning to all. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. As you know, life chapter is going on. Today I will explain a numerical question based on convex mirror. In my previous video, I have explained a numerical question based on concave mirror. Okay, I hope you see video, and today I am going to explain a numerical based on convex mirror. So you can see a numerical is given an object 5 centimeter high is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Find nature, position and height of image. This is the numerical. In this numerical, the height of object, it means height is given h equal to 5 centimeter. To solve numerical, you have to take object in front of mirror and erect in erect position. It means h is positive. The value of h is positive. Okay, and distance of object, the distance of 10 centimeter from the convex mirror, it means it is u equal to 10 centimeter.
The smart class of the name block equipment.
Okay,
It's getting late, you need to reach the period.
as you know,
6 to 8 also will follow the
object
same.
placed in front of mirror, it means you can see by diagram. This is a convex mirror. Object in erect position, so that's why it is positive. But the distance, this u, is negative because we have to measure distance from pole against the direction of light. As you know, light move in this direction, and we for measure distance we have to move against the along the direction of light, or you can say simply the distance taken in left position is negative and distance taken in right position is positive. So u is minus 10. The another value is given is radius of curvature. It means r equal to 30 centimeter. As you know, for convex lens, the radius of curvature and focal length is positive, so r is positive. So we have to find what is the value of v, position of image. So to find the value of v, we can use this formula 1 upon u plus 1 upon, you can write this 1 upon v plus 1 upon u equal to 1 upon f. Okay, so u is given and radius is given. In previous video I will discuss a relation between radius of curvature and focal length. So f equal to r by 2. It means 30 upon 2. It means 15 centimeters. So if radius of curvature is given, you can find the value of focal length. Position of image. First we have to find position of image. So by putting value u minus 10 and f is 1 upon 50. So v equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 15. So 1 upon v is equal to 30 axiom. So when 10 and 30 divided by 10, this is 3, and 30 divided by 15, 2. It means 5 upon 30. So 1/6. It means when you compare V equal to 6 centimeter. So it means the position of image is 6 centimeter, and this is positive, you can see. So it means image placed behind the mirror, even in right side. So we can also draw the diagram. So find position of, this is the position of image. Now we have to find size of image. So as you know the formula of magnetism, m equal to h dash upon h equal to minus d upon u. Now size of image. Size of image is given as m equal to, this is h dash, size of image. H is given 5 V. What is V? 6 centimeter. And U is minus 10 centimeter. Minus 10. Okay. So negative 90 positive. So this is 3/5. So h dash equal to 5 into 3/5. So 5 cancelled by 5. So value of h dash is 3. It means h dash is 3 centimeter. This is the height of image. Now we have to discuss about the nature of image. You can see V is positive. It means image placed behind the mirror. So behind the mirror means image is virtual. Okay. And the value of m, you can find m equal to h dash upon h. So h dash is 3 and h is 5. So it means this is plus 0.06. M equal to 0.6. So positive. Positive means image is erect. And 0.6, m is less than 1. It means image is diminished, small in size. Okay? Smaller than object. Okay? I hope you understand this. So you have to try more numerical basis on this numerical. Thank you very much.